Welcome back, aviation lovers. My name is Solomon, your host on Flipside 05. Today we're tackling one of the most frequently asked questions about air travel. Is flying really the safest mode of transportation? Many people have a phobia of flights, often due to the few plane crashes they've heard about. While we'll never downplay past aviation accidents, it's crucial to emphasize the many safety barriers in place to ensure our flights are as safe as possible. Let's dive into why aviation remains the safest means of transportation. Let's start with some statistics. Aviation safety records are impressive and reassuring. According to International Air Transport Association (IATA), there were approximately 46.8 million flights in 2019, with a global accident rate of 1.35 accidents per million flights. To put it in perspective, the odds of being involved in an accident are about 1 in 11 million. (2023) was one of the safest years for aviation. There were no hull losses or fatal accidents involving passenger jet aircraft. However, there was a single fatal accident involving a turboprop aircraft resulting in 72 fatalities. With over 37 million aircraft movements in 2023, the all-accident rate was just 0.8 per million sectors, an improvement from 1.30 in 2022. The fatality risk also dropped to 0.03 from 0.11 in 2022, meaning you will have to fly every day for over 103 years to experience a fatal accident. A key pillar of aviation safety is the stringent eligibility and training requirements for aviation personnel. Pilots, for example, undergo extensive training including hundreds of flight hours, simulator sessions, and rigorous theoretical knowledge tests, but it doesn't stop there. Mandatory medical examinations are essential to crew fitness. Pilots must pass these medicals regularly to maintain their licenses. These exams assess not only physical health but also psychological well-being, ensuring that only the most capable individuals are at the controls. Aircraft engineers and other aviation personnel also face strict medical and training standards. This comprehensive approach ensures that everyone involved in flight operation is in peak condition and fully qualified. Now, let's talk about the aircraft themselves. Ensuring airworthiness is a meticulous process that involves regular and thorough maintenance checks. Aircrafts undergo routine inspections from daily pre-flight checks to more extensive annual and biennial reviews. Maintenance protocols are incredibly detailed, covering every aspect of an aircraft's operation. This includes checking the engines, avionics, hydraulics, and structural integrity. Advanced diagnostic tools and techniques are used to identify and address potential issues before they become serious problems. Every airline has a dedicated maintenance, repair, and overhaul team working tirelessly to keep aircraft in top condition. These teams follow guidelines set by aircraft manufacturers and regulatory bodies to ensure that maintenance is performed to the highest standards. Another critical element of aviation safety is the oversight provided by civil aviation authorities. Organizations like the Federal Aviation Administration in the United States, the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, and the International Civil Aviation Organization play a crucial role in maintaining global aviation safety standards. These authorities develop and enforce regulations that cover every aspect of aviation, from pilot training and aircraft maintenance to flight operations and air traffic management. They conduct regular audits and inspections to ensure compliance and take swift actions when standards are not met. Finally, let's look at some of the safety barriers and processes in place to maintain the safety of our flights. Modern aircrafts are designed with multiple redundant systems for critical functions, ensuring that a single failure does not compromise safety. For example, dual hydraulic systems. Aircrafts have multiple hydraulic systems to control critical components like landing gear and flight controls. If one system fails, others take over. Key navigation and communication systems are also duplicated, so if one fails, the backup system ensures continuous safe operations. Aircrafts are also equipped with several power sources, including engines, auxiliary power units, and batteries, ensuring continuous electrical supply. Innovations in technology have significantly enhanced aviation safety. For example, traffic collision avoidance systems helps pilots avoid mid-air collision by providing real-time alerts and guidance. Ground proximity warning systems warn pilots if the aircraft is in immediate danger of flying into the ground or an obstacle. Fly-by-wire system is slowly replacing the traditional manual controls with electronic interfaces, improving precision and reliability, while enhanced vision systems uses infrared cameras to improve pilot visibility in poor weather conditions. Crew Resource Management is a training program designed to improve communication, decision-making, and teamwork among flight crew. It involves situation awareness, which is training flight crew to maintain a clear understanding of the aircraft status and environment at all times, helping crew make effective decisions under pressure. CRM also encourages open and effective communication between crew members to ensure that all potential issues are addressed promptly, building a culture of mutual support and shared responsibility. Air traffic control systems manage a safe and efficient flow of aircrafts in the sky. Using radar and satellite tracking, they constantly monitor the position and altitudes of aircraft to ensure safe separation. They also communicate with pilots, providing them with instructions and information to navigate safely. Finally, pilots are trained to handle technical issues proactively. They rely on tools like the Minimum Equipment List, also known as the MEL, and the Quick Reference Handbook, also known as the QRH. The MEL manual outlines which equipment and systems must be operational for the aircraft to be deemed airworthy. If an issue arises, the MEL helps pilots determine whether they can continue the flight or need to return to base. The QRH provides pilots with standardized procedures to handle in-flight issues. It contains checklists and emergency procedures that pilots can reference immediately to ensure a prompt and appropriate response to any situation. These resources, combined with their rigorous trainings, enable pilots to maintain safety and effectively manage technical problems, ensuring passenger safety at all times. So, the next time you board a flight, remember that you're in one of the safest modes of transportation in the world. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into aviation safety, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Flipside 05, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things aviation. Until next time, this is Solomon signing off.